Okay, dito na tayo ka-ML sa non-terminating repeating decimals. Under pa rin ito ng rational numbers. So, eto na yung numbers na may mga forever. Ano po? Katulad na lamang ng 0 and 27, 27, 27, 27, 27. Meron na lang tayong ellipsis dito na kung saan yung 27 is paulit-ulit yan until kung hindi siya matatapos. Ano po? Hindi rin talaga siya matatapos. May forever na number. So, paano tayo natin i-reduce into fraction? Ang unang gagawin natin, class, is to represent the decimal. Ang gagawin natin is to represent the decimal by x or any letter. I-represent lang natin to as x. And then next is multiply both sides by the equation by powers of 10 depending on the number of repeated digits, making the decimal part the same for step 1 and step 2. Now, number 3 is to subtract the equation obtained in step number 1 and step number 2, and number 4 is simplify the result. Next, again, ang unang step natin dyan is kunin natin yung fraction, kunin natin yung decimal to at i-represent daw natin yan as our x. So we have x is equals to 0 and 27, 27, 27, and then meron tayong ellipsis at eto ay equal to 0.27 na may venculum sa taas or bar. So ang next natin gagawin is to identify kung ano yung number na nauulit. So meron tayo nakitang pattern na ang number na nauulit is just 2 digit na kung saan yun ay 27 or 2 and 7 yung nauulit. So, since 27 yung nauulit at yung 27 na yun is nasa hundreds place. Ano po? So, meaning to say meron tayong dalawang digit na nauulit. So, gagamitin natin na powers of 10 will be 10. Will be 100 rather. It is because ang 2 and 7 or etong 2 and 7 na yan, yung 7 na is nasa hundreds place. So now, we're going to multiply those number into the powers of 10 na kung saan ano yung nauulit. So meron tayong 100. So multiply natin both side by 100. So by the way, eto pala yung magiging equation 1 natin. Equation 1. Okay, we have this equation 1. Ano po? Ito yung x na yan, magiging equation 1 natin. Paano natin malalaman yung equation 2? Ang equation 2 naman is we're going to copy ulit. Equation for equation 2, we have 0.2727 dot and then i-multiply daw natin yun by 100 both side. 100. So ito yung magiging equation 2 natin. So 100 times x will have 100x is equals to multiply this decimal into 100. So magkakaroon tayo ng movement since meron tayong 100. So mag-move lang tayo from this place. Okay, from this place dito, etong point na to, mag-move tayo 2 places to the right. Ano po? So meron tayong 1, 2. So therefore, pag na-multiply natin, meron na tayong 27.2727. Since ellipsis yan, pwede ulit tayo magdagdag ng 27. Ellipsis pa rin. Okay, ito yung magiging equation 2 natin. Ano po? After that, kunin natin yung equation 1, ito equation 1, at ilagay natin dito para i-subtract natin. So, meron tayong x. X is equals now to, align natin yung point, ito yung 0, and 272727. And then, subtract na natin. Ano po? So, meron tayong katabi na 1. Lagi yan. Ano po? Yung x, laging may katabing 1. Kahit na walang 1 yan. Ano po? Meron yung katabi. Okay. 100 minus 1, we have 99. And then, copy natin yung x is equals to 27. Subtract po yan. 27 minus 0 is 27. And then, yung 27272727 na yan is masusubtract na yan. So, magiging cancel out na yan. So, sabi daw sa ML, wipe out na natin yan. Ano po? Ito yung equation 1 natin. Sinubtract lang natin. And then, paano natin mahanap yung value ng x? Ang gagawin lang natin is to divide both side by 99. 99. And then subtract, cancel out. So, natira na lang po natin dito is x, and then meron tayong 27 over 99. At yung 27 over 99 na yan, pwede natin siyang i-reduce into lowest term. So, ano yung pwede makapag-divide sa 27 and 99? Meron tayong, yes, tama ka ulit dyan, tama ka ulit KML. So, meron tayong 3. Ano po, i-divide natin both numerator and denominator by 3. So, meron tayong 27 divided by 3, and then 99 divided by 3. So, we have 27 divided by 3, how many? We have 9. And then 99 divided by 3, we have 33. At tingnan ulit natin kung pwede natin siyang ma-divide. Pwede ulit natin siyang ma-divide by 3. So, we have 9 divided by 3, we have 3. And then 33 divided by 3, we have 11. So, therefore, our fraction form of this decimal will be 3 over 11. So, ganun lang po kadali. Po, kung di nyo na-get, so balikan nyo ulit itong video to. Ano po? Balikan nyo ulit. Okay, next example. Tapos na tayo dito. So, alisin na natin yan. Next example tayo, mga KML. Diba? Dali-dali lang. So, later on, are we going to show you the shortcut for this. Ang gagawin lang natin dyan, mamaya, is to know the powers of 10 minus 1. Ano ba yung powers of 10 minus 1? Ano po? Mamaya, malalaman natin yon at ma-amaze kayo na ganun lang pala kadali yung shortcut. Pero ang ituturo ko sa inyo yung process at ang gusto kong solution nyo yung pinaka-process. Hindi yung shortcut. Kasi yung shortcut, binibigay lang kapag alam mo na yung process. Okay, next. Example, meron tayong tarang! Hindi turon, ano po? So, meron tayong 0 and 15151515. Okay. Unang step is to let this given or to let this decimal as x. So, meron tayong x is equals to 0.151515. Then, venculum, or it is also equal to 0 and 15 venculum. Ano po, ito ellipsis yan, yung venculum. Ano po, ito yung venculum. Okay, next step is, alamin natin kung ano yung nauulit na number. Ang nauulit na number dyan will be 1 and 5. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So, meron tayong 1 and 5 only. And that 1 and 5 will belongs to the powers of 10. So, kunin natin ulit ito. Ito pala yung equation 1 natin. Ano po, equation 1. Lagi yan. Yung nakuha nating x will be our equation 1. So, next will be kunin natin ito. Okay, x is equals to 0.151515 venculum. And then, i-multiply natin to by how many? Kung ano yung naulit na numbers, at yung numbers na yon is 2-digit lang, so meaning to say, i-multiply natin siya by the powers of 10. Kasi yung 2-digit na yan, belong siya sa tens, hundredths place. Nasa hundredths place po siya. So, multiply natin by 100. Para makuha natin yung equation number 2. Next, 100 times x, we have 100. X is equals to 100 times 0. Eto, sa decimal na yan, meron tayong movement na place. Meron lang tayong movement ng decimal point na 2 kasi hundredths place, meaning to say from this one to the right. So, we have 1, 2. So, meaning to say, meron tayong 15.151515. Ito yung magiging equation number 2 natin. And then, anong gagawin natin na sunod? Kunin natin itong equation 1. Kunin natin equation 1 na yan. And then, ilagay natin dito. Ano po? I-align natin dito yung equation 1. So, we have then 0.151515. Next, ang gagawin natin is to subtract. Ano po? Ito yung equation 1. Okay, subtract na natin yung equation 2 and equation 1. So again, meron yung katabing 1. Ano po yung x? Laging may katabing 1 yan. Kahit na wala tayong nakikita, meron yung imaginary 1. So 100 minus 1, we have 99. And then, copy x. So 99x is equals to 15 minus 0 is equals to 15. And then eto, again, yung after the decimal point, wipe out na natin yan. Sabi nga sa ML, wipe out. Next, divide both side by 99. Divide both side by 99. Then cancel this one, cancel. So natira na lang po is x is equals to 15 over 99. Or pwede natin i-reduce into lowest term kasi yung 15 and 99 pwede natin i-divide by 3. Over 99 divided by 3. So magiging na po siyang how many? How many? So hindi ka nagkakamali ka ML. So meron tayong 15 divided by 3. Hindi ka nagkakamali, ano po? So meron tayong 15 divided by 3, meron tayong 5. And meron tayong 5 sa numerator at meron tayong denominator na 99 divided by 3, meron tayong 33. So therefore, our lowest term or fraction form ng decimal na to will be 5 over 33. Okay, that is, ganun lang po kasimple. Okay, next example tayo mga ka-ML. Next example, using our process, then after this example, doon na tayo sa shortcut. Ano po? Okay, meron tayong, kung napapansin nyo, meron tayong 1.888898. Diyan, ano po? Okay, ang gagawin ulit natin is to take this decimal as x. So let this decimal to be x. Meron tayong x is equals to 1.8888 or it is equal to 1.8 ventilum. Ano po? So anong gagawin natin na ulit? Okay, our step number 2 is to look for the repeating number. Ano ba yung repeating number? At ilang digit yung nauulit? Meron tayong only 8 na nauulit. So therefore, yung equation number 2 natin, ito yung equation number 1, yung magiging equation number 2 natin is, yung multiply lang natin, ito by 10. Ano po? Bakit 10? Because yung naulit na digit is only 1 digit lang. At yung 1 digit na yan belongs to the powers of 10 of 10. Ano po? Nasa 10th place kasi siya. So, copy natin ulit yung x is equals to 1.8888. Then, multiply it by 10, both side. Para makuha natin yung equation number 2. So, 10 times x, we have 10x. And then, 10 times this 1.88888. So, meron tayo, mag-move lang ulit tayo ng place or decimal place from left to right. So, since 10 lang to, so mag-move lang tayo ng isa lang. So, nandito yung decimal natin. So, magkakaroon na tayo ng 18.8888 . So, meaning to say, class, eto na yung magiging equation number 2 natin. After that, kunin na natin yung equation 1 and then ilagay na natin dito. So, meron tayong x is equals to 1. Okay, i-align natin. Ano po? 1.8888 . Ito yung equation number 1. And then, anong gagawin natin? Subtract natin po. Ano po? Okay, meron tayong 10x. Meron ulit yung katabing 1. 10x minus 1 will be 9x is equals to 18 minus 1, we have 17. At anong mangyayari dito after the decimal na to? Ang gagawin natin dyan is, sabi sa ML, wipe out. So, wipe out na natin yan. So, cancel na po yan kasi pag nasubtract natin yan, 0 na yan. Ano po? So, after that, we're going to divide both side by 9 para makuha natin yung value ng x. Ano po? Kung ano ba yung equivalent nito? Okay, cancel na natin yung 9. So, natira na lang po is x. And then, 17 over 9 will be our fraction. Pero, pwede pa natin yung i-lowest term. Kasi yung given na to is naka-improper fraction. So, meron tayong whole number dito. So, meaning to say, eto is equal to how many 9 are there in 17? Meron tayong 1. And then, meron tayong remainder na, syempre dito 9. meron tayong remainder na how many? We have 8. Ano po? So, therefore, our fraction form of 1.88 will be 1 and 8 over 9. Ganun lang po kadali mga ka-ML o ka-math learning. Sino ang nagsasabing mahirap yan? Ano po? So, that is the process and converting decimal to fraction dealing with non-terminating repeating decimals. Ito yung repeating decimals. Yung nauna natin is ito. Ito naman ang tawag dito, ang tawag dito class is terminating decimals. Ano, tingnan yung pagkakaiba. Ito, nag-terminate siya. Ito, hindi, repeating siya. And also forever yung 8 niyan. Ano po, forever yung decimal place niya. So now, I'm going to show you the shortcut. I'm going to show you the shortcut in converting decimal to fraction using the dealing with that non-terminating repeating decimal. So, erase na natin to. So, ano kaya yung gagawin natin dito? Shortcut tayo. Ito yung shortcut. Shortcut. Okay, balik tayo dun sa mga examples natin. Ito. At ito. At ito. Shortcut tayo. So, unahin natin tong 0 and 2727 at eto. At then, magdadagdag tayo mamaya ng isa. Ano po? So, tandaan nyo, shortcut lang po ito. Ano? Pero, ang gagamitin nyo, it will be the process. Ano po? Then, kuhinin natin tong powers of 10 na to. So, ang gagamitin natin na powers of 10 will be minus 1 lang tayo. So, meaning to say, minus 1 sa 10, we have 9. Then, minus 1 dito, meron tayong 99. Minus 1 dito, meron tayong 999. Then, minus 1 dito, meron tayong 9999. Dito naman, 100,000 minus 1, we have 99999. So, yan yung mga powers of 10 natin, minus 1. Powers of 10, minus 1. Then, eto po gagamitin lang natin into converting decimal to fraction using the repeating decimals. Ano po? Using the non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay, let's start. Ang simple-simple po nito, class. So, ang gagawin lang natin, class, is dito tayo sa una. Kunin natin yung repeating digit. So, meron tayong repeating digit na 27, right? So, kunin lang natin yan. Take that into our numerator. And then, meron tayo, ano ba yung 27? Ano ba yung nauulit na numbers? Ano ba yung powers of 10 natin? Meron tayong, ang 27 is nasa tenths, hundredths place. So, meron tayong 100 minus 1. So, magiging lang yung 27 over 100 minus 1, 99. Or in lowest term, meron tayong kanina, ano yung lowest term natin kanina? We have 3 over 11. Ganun lang kadali. So, dito naman, meron tayong nauulit na 1 and 5. Then, take that 1 and 5. And then, our denominator is our powers of 10. Ano ba yung powers of 10 natin na gagamitin? Since ito, 2 digit, meron tayong tenths and then hundredths. So, 100 minus 1. So, meron tayong 15 over 99. Or simply, ang sagot niyan magiging 15 over 99. Meron tayong kanina. Ano ba yung sagot natin kanina? Meron tayong 5 over 33. Next, we have 1.8. So, meron tayong 1 dito. So, automatic, lagay na natin 1 dyan. And then, ano yung nauulit na number? Meron tayong nauulit na number na 8. And then, ano ba yung place value ng 8 na nauulit? Meron tayong 10 minus 1. So, therefore, 1 over, meron tayong 1 and 8 over 9. So, ito na yung sagot. Ganun lang kadali, class. Yung shortcut. Next. Okay, bigyan ulit ako ng another example. Okay, by the way, paano kung negative? Ano po? Paano kung may negative na? Halimbawa, ito, negative to, negative to, negative to. Madali lang yan, class. Lagay lang tayo ng negative dito sa result. Negative, negative, negative. Ganun lang po kadali pag may negative. Ano po? Huwag tayong matakot sa negative numbers o sa sign na negative. Next example, last example. Okay, our last example will be that one. So, ano yung nauulit na number? Gamitin na natin yung shortcut. Ano yung nauulit na number? We have 181. So, our 181 over, ano yung magiging ano natin? Powers of 10. Meron tayong tens, hundreds, thousand. So, meaning to say, 1,000 minus 1 is equals to 181 over 999. So, therefore, this will be our reduced form of this or our fraction form of this decimal. Ganun lang kadali mga ka-math learning. It's more fun in mathematics. So that ends our discussion for this meeting or for this video, converting decimal to fraction. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you very much and goodbye.